Greetings. My name is Kachinga Sichalo from Zambia. It gives me great pleasure to share my experience as a participant of the Climate Smart Agricultural Training here in Thailand, which is running from 29th April to 17th of May. My experience in this program really was, experience began when I was still in Zambia. The staff for the organizing committee did share a very comprehensive orientation program, and with this I came to Thailand with much interest and excitement to enhance my skills in climate smart agriculture. Little did I expect that my expectations would actually be exceeded, going by the judicial mix of learning methods that we have learned here in Thailand so far, which the elite professionals and lecturers have been delivering. With this, I'm very much excited to share this knowledge when I go back to my country in Zambia. I want to thank the government of Thailand through the Thailand International Cooperation Agency for giving me this privilege to participate in this program. With that, I give a special thanks.
Thank you very much for this chance. My name is Charity Muchera, coming from Kenya and working for the Kenya Agricultural and Research Organization. First is to thank the TICA organizers of this course, because when we came, we didn't have any problem at the airport all through the way up to this place, down south of Thailand. We also want to thank the Walaila management, because they received us well and we feel comfortable as we go ahead with our workshop. We have also experienced the control setup within the southern part of Thailand, where we have tested several cuisines, and we are able now to relate ourselves to other means of survival, because climate change is here with us. During our sessions, we have also learned several new skills like the drone technology that we are going to incorporate in our farming activities. We look forward to learning even more skills as we proceed with the workshop. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Babatunde Oladele. I'm from Nigeria. I work with the Federal Ministry of Environment. I'm a recipient of the Thailand International Cooperation Agency Scholarship to study a short course on climate smart agriculture for a period of 21 days. It has been a beautiful experience so far. The team, comprising of the media team, the lecturers, the environment, from the accommodation down to the food, has been wonderful. It has been a beautiful experience that I would love to experience over and over and over again. I want to say a big thank you to TICA, also to Walalike University for accommodating us, for giving me this opportunity to be here. And I'm looking forward to other opportunities in the future. Thank you and God bless.
Good afternoon, hello. My name is Wahyu from Ministry of Village, Republic of Indonesia. I would like to thank the Kingdom of Thailand, TICA and Walalike University for the opportunity. Thailand has proven to be very good at developing sustainable agriculture and one of the largest exporters of food in the world. This learning opportunity is very good for me, and I hope one day can apply all the knowledge that I have gained here at Walalike University to teach us very well. The combination is very well, everything is go on perfect. I also hope that training like this can continue from year to year and further open the eyes of all as smart agriculture like we know from Thailand. Again, thank you for everything.
I am Adil, came from Qatar. It's my first time here in Thailand. I am so happy to join this training program with TICA and Walalike University. The staff so amazing, and I get so many new information and smart practices about agriculture. I'm happy to join this team. About the accommodation, it's so nice and everything is okay. I hope to join other training program with TICA. Finally, I would like to say thanks for TICA and for Walalike University. That's all. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hello, namaste. My name is Kansem Chaudhary. I am from Nepal. I work as an agriculture economist in my country. I'm very happy to be here in Thailand, and I would like to thank TICA and Walalike University to give this opportunity to be and participate and learn in this training. We are learning climate smart techniques and ideas to fight against the climate change, and we will be implementing these kinds of techniques and training in our country, which will help to minimize the impact of climate change. Finally, this country is amazing. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mustafa Mamamuniru from Niger, Research Associate in Soil Science and Plant Nutrition, Head of Department Radio Agronomy and Ecophysiology Plants at Abdul University. I would like to express my gratitude to all the trainings Climate Smart Agriculture Workshop by Walalike University and TICA. Your valuable knowledge and outstanding teaching methods have allowed me to acquire essential skills and tools for my professional path. May God bless you and grant you success in your noble mission and teaching and raising awareness. Thank you.
My name is Imam Joseph, working with China Customer Farmers Association as a programs manager. Special thanks to TICA and Wala University for having been given a chance to come and get exposed to his expertise in climate change, agriculture, and remote sensing, which I think is going to be very helpful towards my project on cassava value chain. I'm looking ahead towards collaboration between the university and our association in climate smart agriculture and research, so as to help our people reduce poverty and address the challenge of climate change. Thank you.
My name is Dilgarma. I am from Mongolia. It has been privileged to be here in Thailand, Walalaka University, attending Smart Agriculture workshop. First, I would like to thank the TICA management organizing this training. Second, for professors and organizers, also participants for sharing information, exchanging knowledge in this field. Third, this will be a big benefit for my country, climate change, smart agriculture issue. Thank you.
So, I'm Kili Galsen from Bhutan. A very small country lies in between China in the north and India in the south. I extend my heartfelt gratitude for the invaluable opportunity to take part in the climate smart agriculture training at Walalaka University, where I can interact with so many fellow mates from different countries. The teaching methodology at Walalaka University fosters dynamic learning complemented by enriching environment conducive to growth and innovation. The knowledge gained will not only benefit me personally, but I also contribute to the broader effort in combating climate change and expect more training opportunities related to my subject in the near future. Thank you, TICA and Walalaka University.
My name is Liu from China. It's my great honor to get a scholarship from TICA and to participate in this training in Walalaka University. That gives me a chance to meet such great experts from other 20 different countries. I learned a lot of advantages, experience, and practice smart agriculture practice that will promote the level of food security and sustainable development of agriculture in our country. At the same time, I also get friendship from so many countries, especially from Thailand. Then we will have great opportunities to cooperate together on different fields of agriculture research in the future. Thanks so much for the scholarship provided by TICA. Thanks for the course training from Walalaka University. Thank you for all your warmly arrangement and all the great things you have done for us.
My name is Tafaz Wamsakanya. I come from Zimbabwe. I'm a plant health inspector in the Ministry of Agriculture, Lands, Fisheries and Rural Development in Zimbabwe. I've come here to Thailand to learn about climate smart agriculture. I've learned about how to fly a drone. I've learned about how to use remote sensing. I've learned about how to improve the livelihoods of farmers in my community in Zimbabwe. I would also like to thank the staff of Walalaka University for giving me this knowledge. Also, many thanks goes to TICA for giving me the scholarship to study here in Thailand. I thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sisavan Ponglokham. I'm from Lao PDR. I work at Ministry of Agriculture and Forestry. The training about climate smart agriculture or smart farming practice at Walalaka University, supported by TICA in Thailand. This training gives me for the new knowledge, such as the use of technology in agriculture production to reduce and adaptation climate change. The lesson and the lecture is very case. The police section is amazing, and the food is very nice. And I am thankful for TICA for the experience that they give me.
Hello, my name is Lena. I am from Azerbaijan. I work at the Ministry of Agriculture, International Cooperation Department. First of all, I express my deep gratitude for giving me the opportunity to participate on this course. This course gives me an opportunity to learn a lot about agriculture. A lot of thanks TICA. I took part a lot of courses, but this course was especially in a special way. Climate smart agriculture is the approach that helps us to build the actions needed to transform and resilient agriculture system to efficiently support development for food security and climate change. Even smart agriculture aspiration use technologies such as agriculture drones, robotics, IT technologies, farm management, information systems for improved production efficiency. I have closely studied all of them in this course in the beautiful places of the world, the Wailang University. I also have a new friends with whom we will always communicate in the future. I hope not only the internet. Thank you.
My name is Mekonin Fufa. I came from Ethiopia and I am working for Ministry of Agriculture. I am very glad to take part on this annual international training courses. This training is very interesting for comprehensive understanding of climate smart agriculture practices to promote the productivity, to reduce greenhouse gas emission, as well as to improve the livelihood of our society. Finally, I would like to express my gratitude for all the trainers of Climate Smart Agriculture 2024 workshop and also for Walalai University as well as the Thailand International Cooperation Agency. Thank you for your hospitality.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Luciana Turankavivi and I'm from Fiji. I'm a senior technical assistant in vegetable section, horticulture department under the Ministry of Agriculture and Waterways. It's a privilege to attend the workshop here in Thailand. First of all, I would like to thank TICA and the management for organizing this workshop. As we know, climate change is the global issue. To all of us facilitators here at Walalak University, the professors, the lecturers, and the organizing team, thank you so much for sharing and exchanging knowledge and information. I have learned a lot from all the sessions. This workshop is of great help to me and my country in order to mitigate climate change issues in the agriculture sector. And also, it will enable me to do smart agriculture farming practices for optimum production, good, high quality, and constant supply. Thank you.
So I'm Christian. I'm coming from Serbia, and I'm really grateful for having the opportunity to participate in this TICA course. Since the very beginning, the hosts are very hospitable, trying to give us the opportunity to experience variety of Thai food, and our accommodation is really good. We are in a top hotel in Nakhon Si Tamara. And also the teachings are really good and professional, and we are spending a lot of time in this classroom doing theoretical lectures, but also practical trainings. And I also hope that until the end of the course we'll have a little time to visit some places in Thailand. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Thanh, coming from Vietnam. Thank you so much to TICA for having us here to join your meaningful training program related to climate smart agriculture. We participants are extremely happy and excited with TICA's knowledgeable, constructive, and practical program. We also would like to thank to the staff of the Walalak University for their excellent and dedicated lectures, professional services, and welcome warm support to participants worldwide. We highly appreciate this program and will try our best to practice and share as much as we can when we go back to our home countries. Thank you so much again.
Well, hello everyone, my name is John Haida Trujillo. I'm from Panama. I am really happy to be here sharing time with you and sharing ideas. I have the opportunity to meet people from different countries, different continents. So I want to say thank you, TICA, say thank you to the staff, to Walalak for their kindness and politeness. I hope that most Panamanian citizens can enjoy this opportunity and apply for the next years to be here sharing time with different people from the world. Thank you, TICA. Thank you, Walalak. See you later.
Thank you for joining Climate Smart Agriculture Workshop at Walalak University. Bye bye!